But Zeg stopped right on top of a geyser. Uh-oh, the geyser blasted Zeg into that super sticky mud pit, and now he's stuck. Blaze has to get to that mud pit. Whoa, it's a whole river of lava. Blaze will need a bridge to cross over it. If you help Blaze knock rocks into the lava, you can build a rock bridge to drive across. That ankylosaurus has a strong tail. If you build a tail like that for Blaze, he can knock big rocks into the lava for the bridge. Press the spacebar to help transform Blaze. Keep pressing the spacebar. All right! Blaze is an ankylosaurus monster machine! Force is when you push or pull something. When Blaze swings his tail to knock the rocks into the lava, he is using force. When a rock is right in front of Blaze, press the spacebar to swing his tail. You swung a little too soon. When a rock is right in front of Blaze, press the spacebar to swing his tail. Oops! More rocks are rolling your way. Keep hitting them to make the rock bridge. When you help Blaze hit a rock, you get a dino token. You swung a little too soon. Bigger rocks will land closer to Blaze. Watch out! You swung a little too soon. Avoid the cracked rocks. They just don't smash lava rocks. They're hot. Keep collecting dino tokens to help Blaze get blazing speed so he can rescue Zeg. Congrats! Watch out! Oops! Swing when the rock is right in front of Blaze. Awesome! Oops! Try again. Uh-oh! You swung a little too soon. Watch out! Yeah! You made the bridge! Keep going! You have to save Zeg from that sticky mud pit. Lug nuts! That giant rock is blocking the way to get to Zeg. Blaze needs something strong enough to crush that giant rock. If only Blaze had powerful jaws like that T-Rex. Hey, you can design powerful T-Rex jaws. Press the spacebar to help. Keep pressing the spacebar. All right! Blaze is a Tyrannosaurus monster machine! Press the left arrow key to move toward a rock to chomp it. Chomping the rocks gives you more dino tokens. Yellow. Blue. Watch out for lava rocks from the volcano. They're hot. Red. Speed boost, yeah! Ride over speed boost to go super fast. Chomping the rocks gives you more dino tokens. Green. Keep collecting dino. Watch out for the geysers. Whoa! Purple. Gaskets! There are even sideways geysers! Ooh, not the lava rocks! Woohoo! Watch out for your ankylosaurus friends! Chomping the rocks gives you more dino tokens! Those rocky spots are really shaky. Keep collecting dino tokens. It's chomping time. All right. Keep chomping. You did it. You used force to chomp through all the rocks.